Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Protea Hair. They did send me this bomb wig, y'all. A little bit about Protea Hair. Protea is the national flower in South Africa. That is what it stands for. Not only that, they do supply closures, frontals, extensions, literally you name it, bobs, synthetic wigs, literally everything, y'all. Combining is floral feminism. They got magnificent styling, confidence and uniqueness, and also durability and longevity. Now let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. So guys, the wig did come packaged up. It also came with a few gifts. Inside it came with 2 melt bands, which is definitely a plus for the girls out there that might need one just in case. It also came with a Protea hair bag, y'all. It also came with a melt band with the company's name on the front. Inside of the packaging, it did come with more melt bands, y'all. So they gave me about a total of 3 melt bands all in one. Y'all, when I say this wig was definitely a 10 out of 10, it definitely was a 10 out of 10. It was 28 inches. Everything about this wig will be below y'all. The exact link, literally everything. The wig definitely speaks for itself. Not only that, y'all, this wig is 100% human hair, which means this wig can be curled, bleached, dyed, literally everything. It also came with a Protea wig tag inside of the wig, which I thought was definitely a plus. I did end up taking it and dropping it off to my stylist the day before so that she could customize it. So y'all, she did mold my cap down and put 2 layers of glue. She did also end up blow drying the glue and then laying the wig down, basically combing the lace into the glue, melting it. Y'all, she did go in and bleach this wig and pluck it the day before. Everything about my stylist information will be below. If you are in Milwaukee area, y'all definitely go and book with her. Now she is basically cutting the lace off, as y'all see. Definitely smelling good. She haven't added any product yet, literally, y'all. Now she did pull my baby hairs down. I want to recreate this look that I seen on Instagram, so that would be the look that we would be going for. Not only that, y'all, this wig did come with about 3 or 4 melt bands, which was actually a plus, but I ended up leaving them at home. As y'all know, I did go to her and get my wig installed. But y'all, I definitely enjoyed this service. It definitely was quick. Definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. She did not burn me or anything of that sort. She let the baby hairs exactly how I wanted them. Not only that, y'all, the quality of this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. Not gonna lie. They do have more wigs and more options on their site. They definitely do. So you definitely can go and check them out. Everything will be below, y'all. The baby hairs laid well. The curls, literally everything, y'all. Like, this wig definitely is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Not only that, it is 28 inches. Definitely keep that in mind. This wig was 28 inches.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, I bet. You wanna get with me, stop.
So y'all, this is the end of the video. This is the final look. This is how my hair turned out, y'all. When I say this wig is a 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. The style is 10 out of 10. The stylist, the lace, literally everything, the blending, the melt, everything is 10 out of 10 in my book, y'all. Everything for this wig and this company will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Definitely let them know that I did send you. Also, the stylist information that did do my hair will be below as well, y'all. Definitely let her know that I did send you. When I say fishtail, 8 down. Yeah, don't play. Okay, it's real cute, y'all. Real cute. I really wanted to recreate this look. It's definitely giving what this is supposed to give. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are 54K. We're on the road to 100K. I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. I think I know. I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I test.